Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to manage email subscriptions in the Gmail account, your Gmail account. So basically, if you have an email subscription to something like Adobe, or you have it to something else like for the newsletter, and you want to unsubscribe from it and you don't know which ones there are because they always come in a whole bunch of batches in your email, there's actually a new feature that Gmail is rolling out, Google's rolling out with, and it helps you unsubscribe from those subscriptions easily. You might not have it yet, but you will be getting it, and I'm going to show you how you use it in this video. I'm going to show you on the google.com, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in your Gmail, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile phone too, so you know you can do it both ways. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. But before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every Thursday. Still haven't missed it, even when my life has chaos. I still get a video out for you guys, and I write articles, so I'll put a link down below for this article because I write an article before I do a video. And I'll have that down below for you. Last week, we went over in a video as how to stop Windows from stealing bandwidth, and I'll have a link down below so you can check that out. But let's jump into how to manage your email subscriptions in your Gmail. We're doing this on my Windows laptop. We're going to go to the Gmail on the Google browser. So let's do it. So what we're doing is we're going to go find our Gmail account. So I should do that. Open this up. My Gmail account's here. I'm already logged into it, so I'm going to click here. And then what it does is I open it up. And now you're like, okay, now where do I go from here? Well, you're going to look to your menu on the side here, which now if you might be gone, just click the little three lines up here and it opens it up. Go down to more on the left side here, and you click on that. Then once you do that, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to bump into this one, Manage Subscriptions. That's the one we want, so you're going to click on that one. All right, now we're here. So subscriptions, when you unsubscribe, it can take senders a few days to stop sending messages. And they're right, and sometimes you kind of overlap. So these are all the subscriptions I'm on. I have a lot of them. I didn't count them, but I have quite a few. But as you can see, every place you have subscribed to, every website that you're on their email list, this will show up here if you're getting it through your Gmail. So what you want to do is it also tells you over here how many emails you've gotten from them recently. So that's always good to know, and their address, their email address is in the middle. So what we want to do, let me pick Adobe here, and you're going to go over here, and it says unsubscribe. Very simple to do, so if you want to go down through here, click that, and it's going to bring this up. It says, do you want to stop getting messages from all mailing lists from Adobe Acrobat? And this is their email they've been using. And yes, I don't want any more, so we're going to click the unsubscribe. And then when you do that, it gives you a little message down here saying unsubscribed from this mailing list. And like they said, it could take a few days for them to stop sending me emails, but now they're off my list, but I have a huge list. I'll probably need to go through this and tweak it, but this is what you can do on your own to help get those subscription emails, down from what they are now, because we all have a lot of them. So that's how you do it on the actual Gmail on the Google browser on your computer. I'm going to hop over to my phone. I'll show you how to do it on the app. Okay, now I'm on my Motorola Edge Android phone. We're going to show you how to do the same steps on how to manage your email subscriptions on the Gmail app. I'm going to show you how to do that on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to swipe up until you find your Gmail. You tap on your Gmail, and once your Gmail opens, you're going to go to the top left, and the three lines you saw on the website, you're going to tap on that. Then you're going to scroll down because it gives you that left side menu, and you're going to scroll down till you get to Manage Subscriptions and tap on that. And then you're going to see all your subscriptions just like we did on the website. So you're going to go down through here and scroll down till you want to get rid of who you want to get rid of. So you want to unsubscribe from these people. So you see it's all here. As you can see on the side, the right side, they give you an envelope next to each one. That's the unsubscribe icon, so that's what you're looking for. So we're going to just go down. Oh my goodness, where am I going? I'm going to have to blur some of that. Let's see. Who do I want to do it? Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'll just do this one. You tap on the little envelope, and then it's going to give you the same warning. Then all you do is tap on unsubscribe, and you'll unsubscribe from it. And it's that easy to do. All right, now you know how to do it on the website, on your Gmail account there, and on your mobile app. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.